Mushemanio wa kajunene ya kiama kia Jubilee uliotafanirio umuthi rungu rwa utongoria wa president wa tene Uhuru wa Kenyatta ni ukinyanirie maundu matiganite maria makunyita itemi rinene hari kiama giki gwibanga utetini wa githurano kinene gia 2027. Umwe wa maria makinyanirio mushemanio uyu ni kwaniro gwa Fred Matiang'i ari we riu ugukorwo ari munini wa mutongoria wa kiama wigiririki uria riu ugukorwo ukimuhe hinya nginyagia wa kurugamirira kiama giki mishemanio ya ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro na kana gutongoria imwe ya mishemanio kiama-ini giki.
As NEC also have appointed Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i as our deputy party leader going forward, and alongside that we have also resolved that Dr. Matiang'i represents us at the United Opposition.
Hamwe na andu angi aria mamurirwo ni Kagwe Gichohi uria ugukorwo ari muigi wa kigina kiama-ini. Mubunge Samuel Arama ari we ugukorwo ari muhuri wa musharisha wa kiama bunge-ini ya bururi, nake Senator James Olomenen oye wigiririki orota ucio thiini wa bunge ya Senate.
We have also resolved that we will be communicating officially to the conveners of the United Opposition of that decision that was arrived at by NAC. And we are committed to the United Opposition, the desire to produce a united candidate, and you will be now sitting to help us with those kind of negotiations.
Uyu niguo mushemanio wa mbere wa Kajuino kuma riria kiama giki giatafanirie mushemanio wa NDC, na Kajuino riu ni amurite Matiang'i ari we ukurirukia federa ya kiama giki kihitahitano-ini kia president.
We also received formally his application to be the presidential candidate or Jubilee presidential candidate, and the NEC approved, resolved that he now carries the flag of Jubilee Party as our presidential candidate, and even as he goes to the United Opposition, he goes there in that capacity, and also representing our party leader or deputizing our party leader, and actually being the face of our party going forward, given that our party leader is not always available.
Kiama giki ningĩ nĩ kĩhinyĩrĩirie atĩ gĩtirĩ na mũbango wa kwehera thĩinĩ wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio. Mwandĩki mũkaru Jeremiah Kĩoni akiuga atĩ no gũkorwo na ũgwati mũnene wa kĩwatho kweheria Jubilee thĩinĩ wa Azimio.
The reality is that other formations are going on, but we cannot quit Azimio. Quitting Azimio means the members of parliament who are holding various positions within parliament relinquish. So there is a legal implication, and that's why we cannot be in a hurry kupiga kona na kukata mkato hapa na pale.
Hamwe na uo, kiama giki nĩ kiugĩte atĩ mibango ya gũkĩhe hinya matũra-inĩ nĩ gathĩkĩtwo na kwambĩrĩria oro rĩo.
We now move out and revamp our party. Open branches, market and sell Matiang'i as our presidential candidate, just like the other parties are doing their own.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kĩmani wa Gũnjĩrĩ.